Shashank, what is this?
It's the ingredient list of our whey protein.
Your 100% clean protein?
Yes, but what exactly is bothering you?
You built your entire brand saying that good food is made of good ingredients, no chemicals, no preservatives, and now you're adding bromelain and lecithin to your whey protein? What happened?
That's true. I have always said that if it's not in your grandmom's kitchen, don't use it. And I have to accept that grandmom hasn't been making laddus with lecithin.
Exactly. So you do understand. And look, I love your protein bars. It's real food, it follows a clean label philosophy. So what changed here? Investor pressure? Profits over philosophy?
Honestly, I didn't want to add any of these. In fact, we spent over a year trying to make whey with just whole food ingredients, but we couldn't.
Why?
Have you ever tried pure whey?
No.
Wait. Let me show you. This is pure whey without any additives.
But this hasn't mixed well.
Yeah, that's the problem. You see, whey protein and water molecules repel each other. That's why you need an emulsifier like a lecithin to instantize the protein so that it mixes fast and mixes without these lumps. And by the way, that lecithin is less than 0.1% of the product.
Okay, but what about bromelain? That sounds completely chemical to me.
It's actually a digestive enzyme that comes from pineapple stems.
But why does protein need this?
Have you ever heard of people having digestive trouble because of protein?
Yeah, a lot actually.
That's why. You see, whey is a concentrated form of protein, much more concentrated than what we normally eat. So, our digestive system struggles to break it down effectively. And that's why you'll see most whey brands put a cocktail of synthetic enzymes in it. We put just one from a natural source, and it's less than 0.6% of the mix.
Okay, I get all of this, but this is not clean, right? You have deviated from your food philosophy.
Can I ask you a question first? Tell me, does whey protein as a product deserve to exist? I mean, I could argue that forget bromelain and lecithin, grandmom wasn't having whey protein at all.
Sure, but neither did she have a desk job and the modern food system to deal with. I am a vegetarian. I need whey to meet my 100 grams of protein a day requirement. So, yes, whey is needed. And Shashank, if you're done digressing, can you answer my question? Is your protein clean?
Yes, not just clean, it's the cleanest whey protein that you can actually mix and drink and digest. And by the way, the choice is either this or no protein at all.
I get it, Shashank, but this is still inconsistent from what you have said in the past. Trust comes from consistency. If the meaning of clean keeps shifting, then what are we really trusting?
You're trusting radical transparency. This is exactly why we write each and every ingredient proudly on the front of pack. So you never have to turn that packet around to find out what you're putting inside your body. And hey, if you're not okay with just a little bit of bromelain and lecithin in your food, I respect that. You should not buy our protein. That's your right. Just like this is our whole truth.